Hi there. In this how-to video, I'm going to show you as an administrator how you can quickly jump in and view VoC progress of your employees. To do that, we're going to pop down here to the left-hand side panel that says VoC Viewer. For those of you that have already utilized the GoSite Ready platform, you will find that this feature is very similar to our compliance finder, but is designed specifically for VoC. Now, a couple of names of your employees may pop up in this list, but what we want to do is we want to streamline this a bit more. And we are going to do a search for VoC Dozer and see where our employees are up to with their training. So Emma, as you might remember, she had completed her training in the last video, and that's all shown just here. But let's check out Nigel. So it's saying here that Nigel's completed 1 of 4 of his training modules, and it would be this Dozer Swims, number 28. But say you want to actually update some information really quickly, you can actually do that from in here in this page. So that saves you from going over to their profile. And you can attach any proof of evidence, anything else related to this in here as well. And now it's saying 10 of 20 hours have been complete. So we'll just close that down and have a look at the change. So there we go, showing here 10 of 20. So the VoC Viewer is just a really quick way to check out the progress of your employees in regards to their VoC training. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching.